So over here, you can see that I have a brush, and if I were to draw using this brush, you can see that I got this particular texture brush right here. But if I want to go ahead and mix up two brushes, let's say for example right here, I'm using pixel brush as you can see. I can now go to more right here just like this, and then I can go to sub brushes. So over here I can add a bitmap. So I can go ahead and choose, let's say for example, this PNG file, open it out right here, and you got a brush that's added in right here, just like this. So you can see that this brush is added in. I can go ahead and edit and change around the size of the brush as I want as well, and then close it out. And you'll be able to see the brush right here, just like this. It has been added on with the texture, just like this. So close it, and you can see that it has the texture right here and this particular brush as well. Let me just go around over here onto more and then onto texture, remove this brush out altogether. So you can see that I got this sub brush right here. Let's just go to edit and then change around, let's say for example, the flow of it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and change the flow, change the rotation of it right here. Let's just go ahead and change the accumulation as well. So once you do that, you can actually see two brushes right here. So you got the default brush right here, plus you got that texture brush right here on top of it. So it's like drawing with two brushes right here, just like this. So as I were to change around the size, you can actually see that I have two brushes right here, hence the name sub brushes. You can also go ahead and add in another round brush right here as well, and then go around over here onto edit, change around the size. Let's say for example, change around the hardness of it. Let's change the flow and the shape of it right here. Let's change around, let's say for example, the hardness and let's say for example right here, the accumulation and so forth right here. Then close ahead, and then you can see that now I have three brushes altogether. So you got the regular brush right here, just like this. You got the other brush right here and the other brush right here. You can go ahead and remove any one of the brushes as you like as well, and add as many brushes as you want, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with sub brush settings inside of Affinity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.